Hello, I want to share with you our life here in Saudi Arabia as an OFW. Since my husband has an allotment for accommodation, so he is occupying this room in this building. So we have neighbors, but actually we don't know them. And there is an elevator because this is a fourth story building. So, but we are the only Filipino here. I don't know, maybe they are Thailander and Pakistani I saw one time with families also, with their own families. And this is the ground floor. We are staying, by the way, in the second floor. And this is our main gate. And this is used by digital card when entering. So it is safe.